Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you recover a deleted Instagram story. So first of all, we have our Instagram right here. I'm gonna open that up. Sorry, let's just go back. And now I'm gonna post one story so that I can delete it, and then I'll just recover it for you guys. So I posted it, but let's just give it 2 seconds to upload. Okay, now it's uploaded. Now I'm going to delete it in front of you. Now it's deleted. Now on the top right you see those 3 bars. You press that and then you have these options. Now you have the archive and your activity. The archive is where you will find those stories that were up for more than 24 hours and they actually expired, and you can drag them out and repost them again in future whenever you want. But your activity is where you will find the recently deleted section, and that is for deleted things, your deleted stories. So on the bottom you see the second last option that says recently deleted. I'm gonna press that, and now you see we have our stories that I deleted. Now this one I deleted just now, it says 51 seconds. This one I was doing a bit earlier, that says 3 minutes. So we're gonna press these 3 dots on the bottom right. Press that and we see the restore option. Press that, press restore. It's loading. Let's go back and let's refresh it maybe. And yeah, there it is. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.